Alright, so let's get the lights turned on in the shop here, and we'll get some tools and probably a chair, because that thing is like up and under. We're gonna grab a couple adjustable wrenches. We'll grab some regular wrenches, a marking, and metric, because you never know, especially on a home built plane. All right, and then yeah, so don't get shocked, but this is a home built plane. It's called experimental, and yeah, some other dude built it and I'm playing with it, so it's kind of scary in its own right. We'll zoom out here. What? Right there's good. So yeah, it is interesting, the whole experimental world, I guess you can call it. Different rules. This particular airplane is the Avid Champion, and it is a single passenger aircraft. I do have a 582 Rotax in the waiting for it, so that's pretty exciting. So we'll see how that goes. Definitely a small guy here. I think it might actually be American. So let's bring you in a little closer, see what I'm doing, and it's tough out here by myself, but we'll make it happen. So it's those bolts right there have to be removed, so then all these tanks can get taken off. So yeehaw, a lot of fun. So let's get a different ratchet or open-end wrench. It looks like it is probably a 7/16 maybe. I mean, I'll go ahead and grab a half, but somehow I don't think it's gonna be a half. Let's see here. Test. So spare camera battery. It's always important. It is definitely not a half. It is a 7/16. America for the win. All right. So here and here on both sides of the brackets, and then there's a double side that has to be held. And I can't tell. This one's right there. Oh, they're just right there. They're hidden. Oh, that's not good. Well, I mean, for removal, it's good. I thought it was a nylock. Uh-oh. Oh, it most definitely was at one point. It is no longer locked on anymore. So let's get a socket because I can get it on there. But yeah, it's definitely was a nylock at one time, but is no more. Nice. Good job. All right, so let's get a socket. 7/16. 7/16. Let's get our trusty dusty impact and a fresh battery. Oh, and I dropped that nut. All kinds of fun stuff happening off camera. But we have a stick magnet, so it's all good in the hood. All right. Won't stick to aluminum, Bubba. Come on. All right. So let's open this up. No, that's as far as we're going to get, huh? So then let's put our backer and that side is out. That side is out too, but I think, yeah, that's the one that's actually holding it. So now I get to have some fun because I don't have a door on the other side. So let's go on the other side and take a look here. What are we looking at here? So there's definitely another set here. And here. But am I able to reach in at any point here? Oh, maybe. Oh, got it. So now the question is, what's going to happen when I pull this one? Uh-oh. Wife's calling. Hello. Okay, I'm in the shop taking off the bombs. Okay, love you, bye. Don't worry, these are affectionately known as the bombs. Okay, so let's see where this one is, because it's okay. So we got all the nuts, all the bolts, and somehow it didn't fall. So now I'm scared. So I know we still have that one in. That one bolt right there is still in. But that shouldn't... Ugh. What else is holding it? Alright, I'm going to do a wiggle test and see if I can get it to drop. So we have one vent line thing here. Let me get a pair of side dikes. Look, I'll bring you along this time. All right, so let's get ourselves a pair of side dikes and cut that one side off over there and see if it's being held by the hose. I can't see it being held on by this little 1/8" hose, and no. Oh man, and there's fuel in it. I just heard fuel. Son of a gunners. All right, so now there's definitely some kind of fuel line back here. Right here. So I'm just gonna cut that. Maybe not. You ever thought of something but really didn't think it through? I think that's this project right now. Because I'm sorry, I didn't climb underneath it to see what was going on. I was like, yeah, that looks about right. Pulled the 4 bolts, and here we are. So there is, let me get to you, right there. Shoot. Right there is a fuel line. You can see where I kind of cut it right there. So let's see if we can get the Weeble Wobble to come undone here. My plan is to take the hose clamp off. Oh yeah, this is like super turpentine fuel. Oh, let's fit a plastic fuel filter. Okay, so the clamp is loose. But like everything else in life, something static for very long. There it goes. Oh yeah. Okay, so in theory, this side over here is disconnected. So I should, besides slitting my wrist, be able to zip out this bolt and it should fall. Okay. What else is it hooked on? Fuel sending unit wire. Mind you, like I said, I'm hearing sloshing in here. Woohoo! That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Holy mackerel. Cool. That was a shorter video than I thought. Bombs away. Well, that concludes our quick trip. It took us 40 minutes to take out the bombs and the seat. So once again, my big thing is procrastination paves the way to hell. Yeah, I've been sitting on that project because, quite frankly, I didn't want to do it. Well, 40 minutes and it's done. So here's to getting the plane done sooner than later. So yay.